Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the e-payment or methods of e-payment. E-payment is electronic payment and is a payment system that you use when you pay someone for products or services by using an electronic medium. In this mode of payment, you don't need any check or cash, and hence it is more convenient and time saving. E-commerce payment system or electronic payment system or e-payment system facilitate the acceptance of electronic payment for online transactions, also known as a subcomponent of electronic data interchange. E-commerce payment systems have become increasingly popular due to widespread use of internet-based shopping and banking. The credit cards remain most common forms of payment of e-commerce transaction. As of 2008 in North America, almost 90% of online retail transactions were made with this payment type. It is difficult for an online retailer to operate without supporting credit and debit cards due to their widespread use. The online merchant must comply with stringent rules stipulated by credit and debit card issuers. The, in accordance with bank and financial regulation in the country where the debit and credit services conducts the business. For the vast majority of payment system accessible on the public internet, baseline authentication of the financial institution on receiving the end. Data integrity and confidentiality of electronic information exchange over the public network involves obtaining a certificate from authorized certification authority who provides public key infrastructure even with transport layer security in a place to safeguard the position of conducted over public network, especially with payment system. The customer facing website itself must be coded with great care so as not to leak the credentials and expose the customers to the subsequent identity theft. Despite widespread use in North America, there are still many countries such as China and India that have some problem to overcome in regard to credit card security. Increased security measures include use of card identification number, which detects fraud by comparing the verification number printed on a signature strip on the back of card with information on file with cardholders issuing bank. There are companies that specializes in financial transaction over internet, such as Stripe for credit cards processing, Smart Pay for direct online bank payments, and PayPal for alternative payment methods at check. Many of the mediaries permit the consumer to establish any account quickly and to transfer fund between their online accounts and traditional bank accounts, typically via automated clearinghouse transactions. The speed and simplicity with which the cyber mediary accounts can be established and used have contributed to their widespread use despite the risk of theft, abuse, and typically arduous process of seeking recourse when things go wrong. The inherent information asymmetry of large financial institutions maintaining the information safeguard providers and user till little insight into the system when system mishandles funds, leaving disgruntled users frequently accusing the mediaries of sloppy and wrongful behaviors. Trust between the public and banking corporation is not improved when large financial institutions are revealed to have taken flagrant advantage of their asymmetric power. Since 2016 Wells Fargo account fraud scandal. There are various types of e-payment system. Some of them are as follows. Number one is credit card payment. The most customers like to use their credit cards to pay the products or services they purchase regularly. This method is quite easy because you just need to provide the credit card number and its expiry date to a transaction. Use of the advanced methods like CVN or card identification number has helped make the credit card transaction more secure today. Second is debit card. The many people who don't like to use credit card for online transaction opt for using debit card as a preferred e-payment system. Debit card help people to spend money that they have already and avoid paying the money at the end of the specific billing period, as in case of credit card. Third one is smart cards. When it comes to mentioning the e-payment services, no one can forget the smart card. These cards are embedded with microprocessor that has all the information of person stored in it. These cards can be loaded with funds before making any online payments and helps a person to pay all bills instantly. The biggest advantage of this method is that you load only that amount that need to be spent and save the rest. Another popular option among the e-payment services are the e-wallets. These are the prepared accounts that allow you to store different bank accounts, credit card or debit card information in a secure environment and allows you to make all payments faster and safer manner. Internet banking. If you want to know which is the safest one among type of the e-payment system, it is suggested that you consider internet banking, as you can just pay for any products and services you like by using the money in your bank account. You don't need a credit card or debit card to make the payment through the internet banking. Just you need to provide your bank account, bank ID and password to complete the transaction. Next one is mobile payments. The mobile payments are one of the quickest type of e-payment system because you just need to download software, link with it your credit card and mobile billing information to start making the payments. You need to do this setup just once and then make payments via text messages requests instantly. Though the quick this payment method is most vulnerable to the security threats. In essence, it can be seen that understanding what is e-payment, a key e-payment services and type of e-payment system is of simple if you just read about them. You should try all these options and pick one that you must trust most.